right, let's check out this watch. And it's been a while since I've done an unboxing. And let's just get right in here. I'll use my Cutco shears to open this. All right, there we go. The seal is broken. And let's see what's in here. Okay, well, we have something exciting. Yep. All right, let's open this sucker up and see what we've got here. Hopefully it's the watch I ordered. And voila. Ooh, okay. So here is the Bulova 98B 267. And let's see what we get in here. Take a look at the watch in a minute, but down in there we have something. Bulova, bold at heart. Well, there's our manual or setting instructions, registering your watch, warranty. It's a 3-year warranty. All right, and let's take a look at this watch here. All right, should we pull this off now? Oh, yeah. All right, so just give you some first impressions, tell you a little bit about this watch, and then I'm going to do a full review not too long from now. It's really shimmering in the light there, and 43 millimeters in diameter. It is 10.5 millimeters thick and 22 millimeters with your lug width. Mineral crystal. Yeah. And we see here, there's a tag here. I'm going to go ahead and break that seal. See if I can do that. It's just a push-pull crown, so should snap right off. Here's where I break the watch. No. Is it going? Oh, push that in, and there we go. Voila. That smooth action. You see that we have a rose gold ion plated case and stainless steel around here. Supposed to have some lume on it. We'll check that out in the full review. I say the lume is on the hands. And there's a date wheel there at 3 o'clock. Let's see how that... Okay, pretty good action there. And then let's try the hands. All right. Hands feel pretty good. All righty, yeah. And let's take a look at the back of the watch. Yeah, nothing too exciting going on there. We've got the Precisionist symbol. Now, with this watch, you can see that smooth sweep of the hands, and the Grand Seiko is the nearest thing that you could get to this sweeping action at several $1,000s more. Of course, this being a quartz watch, but it's extremely accurate. It will only lose 10 seconds per year. And what kind of strap we have? We have a Croco embossed strap. There's the Bulova symbol there. And I think trying to recall what I paid for this watch. I think it was $245 on Amazon. Let's go ahead and put this on. We'll keep this review, well, it's not really a review, this unboxing kind of short, but go ahead and put it on. So I'll be right back in just a second to show you what that looks like. Okay, and here it is on my 6.5-inch wrist. Still got to take the tag off, but we'll do that in a little bit. Just checking it out for the first time on the wrist. Looks great. I'm really excited to get in-depth review on this, so look out for that coming up in the next couple of weeks, week or two. 100 meters of water resistance. Not sure if I mentioned that. So yeah, you could take this swimming, wouldn't take it diving. But beautiful timepiece. So there you go. The Bulova Precisionist 98B267. Hey, thanks for watching that video on the unboxing of this Bulova Precisionist. Be sure to check out my next video, which is going to be a full in-depth review of this watch. So have a great day, great night, whatever time it is, and I'll see you in that next watch review. Bye.